In today's video, I will walk you through how to select microphone for Zoom meetings. If you want Zoom to use a specific microphone during your meetings, you can change it directly from the audio settings. I'll show you exactly where to find the option and how to select the microphone you want to use. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app so you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen that appears before you join or start a meeting. From there, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the small gear icon to open the settings panel. Once the settings window opens, select the audio section. This is where Zoom manages both the sound you hear and the sound other people hear from you. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the microphone settings. In the microphone area, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists the microphone devices Zoom currently detects on your computer. Click the drop-down menu to display all of the available options. Depending on the devices connected to your computer, you might see your built-in microphone, a USB microphone, an XLR microphone connected through an audio interface, a headset microphone, or a microphone built into a webcam. The names shown in the list may include the brand or model of the device. In some cases, you may also see more than one option for the same microphone, such as stereo or mono versions. Go through the list and select the specific microphone you want Zoom to use. Once you choose it, Zoom will use that microphone for your meetings unless you change the selection again later. If the microphone you want doesn't appear in the list, first make sure it's properly connected to your computer. If the microphone has its own power switch, confirm that it's turned on. Alright, so if you're using a microphone or audio interface that requires drivers or companion software, install those by following the manufacturer's instructions. Some devices are ready to use as soon as they're connected, while others need that additional setup before your computer and Zoom can recognize them. After the microphone is connected correctly and any required drivers have been installed, Zoom should detect the device, and it should appear in the microphone drop-down menu. When you review the available devices, look carefully for the exact microphone you intend to use and select it from the list. Choosing the correct device ensures Zoom uses that microphone whenever you're in a meeting, until you decide to switch to a different one. That's all there is to it. Open the Zoom settings, go to the audio section, click the microphone drop-down menu, and choose the microphone you want to use. Once you've selected the correct device, Zoom will route your voice through that microphone for your meetings. That's all.